Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at a retractable cargo screen cover for your Tesla Model Y. So let's take a look. So with the current Tesla Model Ys, this is the 2023 version, it comes with this bulky cover for the back here. Sometimes it gets a little bit finicky and it's hard to fold, and it does take up a bit of space. So the Tesloid, they have a retractable screen cover, which I prefer a lot better. And it comes with 4 plastic mount points that has double-sided tape. You can see here there's like a front and a rear, and there's the double-sided tape, and it just mounts in the 4 corners, and then you'll be able to attach the screen cover. So I'll go ahead and install it, and I'll show you once it's complete. So looking at the rear mounts, basically you have the double-sided tape, and then it slides behind the seat belt cover, and then it just sits right on the plastic mold here, and that's for the rear. So here's a look at the mount towards the trunk. You can see the double-sided tape. You do have the 3 clips here that will clip onto this molding in the back. Just want to lift up this rubber part, and then you can slide it in. Okay, so I have the mount installed. I removed the backing off the double-sided tape. The only thing that really took a while, these things were real sticky and it was hard to remove from the tape. But other than that, everything just mounts into place. You can see here. So attaching the screen, basically this, you can push it in, and that will allow you to hook it into place over here. So basically you just want to push it in like this, and then it slides and clips into place. There you go. Alright, so this is how it looks when it's retracted, and then pulling it over is very easy. Just make sure it lines up on the hooks on each side, and that's it. As far as putting stuff on the top, you know, pretty much you can probably put some light stuff, but nothing too heavy. And then retracting it, just pull it. There you go. Alright, so that will do it. That's my review of the Tesloid Cargo retractable screen cover. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.